Hello, welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to pause membership in Netflix or how to put your Netflix subscription on hold. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix. After that, click on My Netflix. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And after that, click on Account. After that, click on that link, Netflix and more. Click Continue. Click Manage Account. Put here your email and password and sign in. And as you can see here, you have an option. The third option is pause for a month. You can click on it. And as you can see, like you can pause your membership for a month, but the membership will not pause until your actual subscription month end. So for example, my membership will pause in 18 days because the month that I paid for will end in 18 days. And after that, they will pause my subscription until 20 of February 2026. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.